One industry that needs mechatronics specialists is the healthcare industry. Healthcare mechatronics specialists research and develop surgical robots, prostheses, or exoskeletons. The exoskeleton is an external frame that supports the human body in making various tasks, such as rehabilitation after a traumatic injury. Exoskeletons use various mechanisms for their operation, and one of them is the so-called scissors linkage. When mechatronics specialists develop such components, it is often necessary to calculate the distance the linkage can travel. This is where the Pythagorean theorem can help.